It's my first time fishing.
I'm going fishing.
Life jackets and fishing poles. You're ready to go. Come down to the dock.
Fishing for fun. Here's the catch. Kids rule at Scotty's Fishing Station in Point Lookout on Wednesday nights.
It's kids who come and they go on the dock and they fish, and they don't really know what they're going to catch, so it's full of surprises.
So here's how this works. It's first come, first serve. Everybody gets a t-shirt. You can either bring your own fishing pole. Is that yours?
Yes.
All right. Or you can rent one. Thank you. And everyone needs a life jacket. Yes. Everybody gets bait and some help if you need it.
I like catching a fish.
No matter what you catch. Have you caught anything yet?
Nope.
You're still waiting?
Yeah.
Did you catch a fish yet? Any luck yet?
Yes.
You caught a fish?
No.
Have you caught any yet?
Yes.
Who thinks the bait is the fish that we caught?
I got seaweed.
Or don't catch. Everyone gets a prize, dinner, and a fun end of day on the bay.
It's really just a great program because it's basically a catch and release. So it's always fun to watch the kids scream and yell because they all cheer each other on.
We haven't had very many catches tonight, have we?
No.
It's a low tide.
Yep.
We're going to blame it on the low tide, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, you keep fishing. Let's see what you can get. In Point Lookout, Elisa DiStefano, News 12 Long Island.